Hello and welcome back. So as promised in my last video, I am actually going to do stuffed peppers, and these are really easy to do. I mean, they're so simple. There's no excuse why anybody can't cook these. You can't really you can undercook them, I guess, but you know, you can stuff them with whatever you fancy really. And I personally like to use pâté, Brussels pâté, but that's not going to be to everybody's taste. There's a lot of people that don't like that. You could put mozzarella in there. You could put just a normal, all sorts of different cheeses in there, ranging from cheddar. You could probably stuff it with Philly, and the combinations are endless. But seriously, I would urge everybody to try these because they are so quick, so easy, and so simple. It is beyond belief. Now, I'm going to do these with asparagus because I absolutely love asparagus, and that's just how it is. But let's get on with the video. The first half of the video didn't actually record. I started recording, and then I got a job, and I had to go out and do that job, and consequently, I had to pack everything away, and then get packed back up, and then get it all back out and start again. Unfortunately, that clip hasn't actually recorded for some reason, so yeah, it is what it is. That's why I'm doing this voiceover, because I'm gonna have to explain why the video starts in the way it starts. And please enjoy the video, subscribe, share, and crucially comment. Actually tell me what you think. Get in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Let me know if you've got any interesting ideas of what you would stuff the peppers with. And yeah, let's see what people can come up with, because let's be creative. Let's get some some ideas in there, and maybe, just maybe, I might actually try your idea and see if I like it. So yeah, if you've got anything in particular you would like to see me make, feel free to jump in and comment on one of my videos, any one of them, and yeah, I'll endeavour to see if I can make that work in the lorry. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and try not to get too hungry when you're watching this. So that's the world I live in, unfortunately. I was making my tea, making this video, and then I get a job, so I've had to pack it all away, put it all in the fridge, put the plate and everything away, put the air fryer away, and go do a job. So first things first, I'm going to get this asparagus on go, because that is going to take the longest amount of time, and it's really simple how to do this, which is why it's really good for in the lorry. Need some salt and some oil. And some salt. Right, so we need to chop off the bottom bit of this asparagus, because it's quite tough. So you just chop that off. So we'll get his knife. Just cutting the bottom bits of the stem off, because I don't want them nasty. And literally we're just cutting like that much off. One's fell on flat. the asparagus, what we're going to do is just drop it straight in the air fryer, and literally, that's how easy it is. Get your oil, you want plenty of it. Good old soaking in the oil. This is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes, and then plenty of salt. Give that a bit of a shake up. That wants to be on quite a high heat, that. So 200. Put it on for 10 and we'll see what happens. If the air fryer decides to work. Right, back to the peppers. Now, my Brussels pâté. Now you could put anything in here. You could put mincemeat, chicken, rice. Literally, it's to your taste. So anything you want, really. Get a spoon some of this gorgeous Brussels pâté, and just put it in there. Pop it right in. Now I like pâté, so it helps. Obviously. So it doesn't have to be neat. Just put that in there like that. Put that to one side for now. The pâté you can eat raw. Pepper you can eat raw. Everything here you can eat raw. The onions, a lot. So all we're going to really do is just warm this up. So I'm going to get the onions out. And just bang a few in there. Now I like lots of onion, but again, to your taste, guys, to your taste. Put a bit more in that one. You can never have too much onion, in my opinion. Right, so all I'm going to do is just push that onion down in that lovely pâté. So that you get the onion properly mixed in with the pâté. One of my kids really likes pâté as well, especially this one with garlic in. My little Leo, he loves this. Now you don't have to be making the neatest job in the world. We're going to cover this with cheese. Might as well just use that last little bit of pâté. Probably get a bit Right. So we've got our peppers stuffed now. So we've got the asparagus on, got the pepper stuffed. Literally, what we want to do now is get some cheddar cheese on it. Any cheese. You can stuff these peppers with mozzarella. Other cheeses. I dare say you can put Philadelphia in there if you really wanted to. I'm not a Philly guy, so put them on there. Right. So that is coming along beautiful. If you can see in there. Give that a bit of a shake up. Right. I'm gonna pop these peppers in here. And then literally what I'm going to do move the asparagus to one side. Now if we can see, get the cheese, put a little bit of cheese on top of these. And you're going to have something that looks a bit like that. So we've got as asparagus, we've got the peppers, we've got the cheese on the top, and that cheese is going to melt beautifully. Put it in there. It's on 200 for 5 minutes. We'll see what it looks like in 5 minutes. So, air fryer's just beeped. Let's take a look. Oh, they're coming along lovely. I think asparagus is done. Be careful not to burn yourself like I usually do when you're doing this. So they are really starting to cook quite nicely. Cheese is starting to just go a little bit golden. I'm going to give them two more minutes, I think. I do apologise about the little boys on their little toys. But yeah, they look really nicely done now. Nearly dropped it. Trying to get some of this cheese out of here. Just not waste it. Right. So as per before, while this is hot, we'll get some water in there. And if you have not yet discovered this stuff, it is brilliant for the pots. Anything that's just baked on, soaked on, this will get it off. Yeah, good stuff. Right. Put that back in there. Right. So I'm just going to put a little bit more salt on, particularly on the peppers, because it hasn't got any on. And there we have it. Stuffed peppers with asparagus. And guys, this asparagus is going to be amazing for a start. Yeah. Just as I thought, that's just top marks of that asparagus. So the pepper. Cut into that, and look at that. It's beautiful. Right, let's have a do the old taste test then. Bit of that cheese on there as well. Again, another 15-minute meal. I'd still be waiting in McDonald's. So, yeah, I'm happy. So there we go, guys. Stuffed peppers, air fryer, in the lorry. You know, we can eat healthy as well. Whether pâté is healthy or not, it's debatable, but it's got to be healthier than a Big Mac, hasn't it? So, I'm going to crack on and eat this. I'll come back in a bit.